Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to all of you. Today I am going to explain Tasmiya. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the gracious, the merciful. Say Bismillah before you start or do anything like eating, sleeping, reading, writing, etc. Be confident and hopeful that Rahman is always with you. He will definitely help you. The more you ponder upon and believe in the attributes of Allah, the more you feel the power effect of reciting Bismillah. Rahman means extremely merciful. Rahim means continuously merciful. Allah is Rahman as well as Rahim. He is blessing us with a heavy and continuous rain of mercy. Don't forget Allah at happy occasions. Have a good opinion and hope in Allah at that time of travel. Just say, my Rabb has always blessed me accidentally. Definitely there is something good for me in this style. Always have positive thinking about Allah. Think positive about Allah because He is Rahman and Rahim. He takes care of us and fulfill our needs, love and kindness. He has created us and given us heart, brain, feet, etc. He blesses us, parents, relatives, friends, etc. There are many benefits of having positive thoughts about Allah, like peaceful life, success, happiness, tranquility, satisfaction, better relationship. This is million times better than modern concept of merely positive thinking about Allah. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day.